Hey everyone, and welcome back to another quick tech how-to video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to block numbers on an iPhone. First, if you have a specific number that you wanted to block or a person that you wanted to block on your contacts, you're going to go to that phone number, and it should give you an option on the very bottom to hit block this caller. So once you hit block this caller, it's going to put that phone number in a specific category. Now to find this category, say you accidentally blocked your friend or you want to unblock that person for some sort of reason, you're going to get out of this and go to setting. And then you're going to scroll all the way down to phone and you're going to hit blocked contact. These are all the numbers that you have blocked, whether they be spam or someone you just didn't want to talk to that day. This is where all the blocked contacts are going to be. Now, obviously it's blurred for privacy reasons, but there's a long list of numbers here, and unblock and reblock at any point in time. Currently, that is the only way to block a number on an iPhone. They may come out with new ways for the iPhone 13 or 14, but until then, that is how to block phone numbers on an iPhone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below.